Welcome to episode 5 of my 1999 Subaru 2.5 RS wide-body build. Good news this morning, getting the windows tinted on the GC. Alright, stand by for the unveil. Thanks Alex over at Minty for getting this installed. I think the reflective gold tint kind of gives it that WR car style. Got some Subarus. Turns out if you put Forester XT struts on a GC, it's way too tall. Well, it looks like I found the block that's going to be going into the GC build. This one is out of a 2017 STI with about 50,000 miles on it. Has good compression all around. I think I want to do something special with this one before I pop it in though, put the heads on. And here's another look at those B25 heads I pulled from the Forester XT. I'm going to be using these on the STI block. I'm going to get these decked and pressure checked. And I think that I'm going to do the valve grinding myself. Just like that, the heads are already ready. Let's paint that block. Big surprise, I went with gold. I kind of wanted this to look like the IAG forged block, which is something completely out of my budget and price range, but this is as close as I'll get to it. Got some new parts from Subaru, some cam seals, different gaskets here and there. First thing I'm going to install is going to be this oil pump. So stay tuned because this will be going inside that engine bay very soon, I hope. Keep your fingers crossed nothing breaks in the process. Having the proper torque settings and looking up all the specs before is crucial to building an engine. So before jumping into this, really make sure you're researching what you're doing or pay a professional. All right, let's get this oil pump installed. Fresh paint always looks so nice. Too bad it's going to be under the car for the most part. Slowly piecing together the block. You'll see I have some Mishimoto hoses attached to it. I got the crank on. I think I'm pretty much ready to install the head gaskets and the heads. All these brand new parts. Timing belt covered. Head gaskets. All the cam seals. And the O-rings for the cams. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, the head gasket install. Always want to make sure the cylinder walls are nice and lubed up for those pistons, especially on the first start. You want to make sure there's no resistance. And to prevent these from seizing, always lube the head studs. These are at a proper torque setting that you're going to want to use, so make sure that they are lubed up, free of contaminants and debris, and you shouldn't be able to install these with no problem. Looks like that's about it for this episode. Thanks for watching. But make sure you watch the next episode. Don't do what I did here. Take your time. Do it the right way.